In this video, we dive into the Government of India's Credit Guarantee Scheme for Exporters, CGSE, designed to provide 100% guarantee coverage to eligible exporters through member lending institutions, MLIs. Managed by the National Credit Guarantee Trustee Company Limited, NCGTC, this scheme aims to address short-term liquidity mismatches, sustain production, and help exporters explore new markets. Key highlights: purpose: offers additional credit facilities to direct and indirect exporters, including MSMEs, to overcome financial challenges. Eligibility: direct exporters with 5%, MSMEs, or 20%, non-MSMEs, turnover from exports, and indirect exporters supplying 30% of their turnover to direct exporters. Loan details: up to 20% of sanctioned working capital limits. Maximum loan amount, 50 crore rupees per borrower. 100% guarantee coverage by NCGTC. Interest rate capped at 10% for banks FIs and 14% for NBFCs. No collateral or fees, no additional collateral, personal guarantees, or processing fees required. Loan tenure, fixed 4 years, including a 1-year moratorium. Claim process: MLIs can file claims for NPA accounts, with 75% of the claim paid within 30 days and the remaining 25% after recovery proceedings. Eligibility period: loans sanctioned until 31st March 2026, or until guarantees for 20,000 crore rupees are issued. Who can benefit? Exporters in sectors impacted by recent US tariffs, such as carpets, marine products, garments, gems, and more. Existing borrowers with active working capital limits as of 30th September 2025. How to apply? Borrowers can apply via the Jan Samarth portal, and MLIs will assess eligibility and process applications. Why CGSE matters? This scheme is a game-changer for exporters, providing much-needed financial support to boost competitiveness and expand into new markets. If you face any issues related to indirect tax, customs, GST and foreign trade policy, contact us on the details given in the bio.